In React, we have stateful components that allow us to have this state object that we can manage and update within the component itself. So to get started, let's set an initial state for this main component. And to do that, we have a constructor method that we have to call first. And inside of the constructor, we need to call super first. And then after this, we need to create this.state object. And it's going to equal to an object that has a property of color, and this is going to be gray. Now, in order to demonstrate how this is rendered out, let's go ahead and create another input with a type of submit. So it will render a button, and then we'll have a style tag that is equal to an object that has a background color property, and that's going to equal this.state.color. Make sure we end this tag, save, and if we run with JS, you'll see that the submit button has a background color of gray because that's how our initial state is set up. So next, let's go ahead and update this state by modifying our submit form method to update the state using the setState method. So to do this, we're just going to call this.setState within the submit form method, and we're going to pass in an object, and this object is going to have the property of color, and we're going to say that this.refs.text.value is going to be the new color value for our state color property. So if we save that and we come over here and we say red, we can see that the button changes to red to match the color input. So for instance, we can use CSS colors, and we can change it to white or green. Any CSS property for the background color will work inside of this input value. So you can see that we're able to set an initial state for our component and then modify that state later on down the road.